Hi guys, so today let's look at how to make withdrawals of your hourly faucet, the earnings you made on your hourly faucet. Now, when you log into your Adsvila account, when you check the menu, you realize that we have some list of hourly faucets that we've lined up for our members to make some claims. If you are accessing this page for the first time, you are supposed to sign up with all these trusted faucets, and your work is to make claim of these cryptos listed here. So today there's a video on how to perform or how to make the claims, but then today we are going to look at how to make withdrawals. When you earn, I'm going to use Tronpick for instance, and when you check Tronpick, you observe that it rewards you an amount of Tron every 1 hour. So let me be a bit practical, but before I even go ahead, the level, what you earn per hour depends on the level that you are. For instance, if you are on the master level, you get to claim 30 Trons every hour. Guys, 30 Trons every hour. And if you look at this account is already on silver. Now on silver, I get to claim 0.06 every 1 hour. And even if you do this consistently every 1 hour, just come and make your free claims. To make this claim is very, very simple. Come to the back end here, perform the capture here to show that you're not a robot. Okay. Once you prove that you are not a robot, you go ahead and make your claim. So after this, you make your claims, and then your account is credited. So if you look at the top here, you get to see my available account balance. And when somebody tells you there is no free money online, it is just out of ignorance. There are faucets that you can make claims from, and some have been running as long as 10 years now, and they are still in business. And what you see on your screen is actually free money I've been able to claim, and then using parts to also try my hands on some of their games. And the more I play those games, the higher my rank. And my target is to get to master. When I get to master, I get to claim 30 Trons per hour, and they will pay you. So let's go back to today's topic, which has to do with withdrawal. Now, to withdraw funds, since this is Tron, you need to copy your Tron address, your TRS address from your account or from your crypto wallet. It could be an exchange like Binance, like OKS, like your Trust wallet, your MetaMask, or anything. Just look out for Tron, copy the wallet address, and you hit their menu here. Now, when you hit menu, you see the list of commands here, but this time around we are looking at withdrawal. So I'll hit withdraw, and once you hit withdraw, you now proceed to indicate how much you want to withdraw. So if you look at the info we have here, minimum withdrawal, as we indicated at the back end, is 15 Tron, right? And then there's a small transaction fee of 0.2 Tron. So what you do is to paste your wallet address here, right? You paste your wallet address here. You make sure you choose the right network. In this case, it is TRC20 network, and enter the amount of Tron you wish to withdraw. So in this case, maybe for the purposes of this video, let's say I want to just take maybe 50. Okay, right, 50. All you need to do is to enter the amount you want to withdraw, and again, prove that you are not a bot. So let me created by humans. Okay, and then you hit withdraw. So you realize that an email will be sent to you for you to approve, to actually show that it is you that is actually making this withdrawal. You check your email and hit on the approval link. A minute, let me open to my mail and we continue this video. All right, so back in my email, you see a withdrawal confirmation link from them, and your job is to click on the link attached to it, and then it will be confirmed. So at this point, the withdrawal request have been received successfully. You check your account back in 2, 3, 4 minutes later, and you see that this money will reflect in your wallet as such. And this same procedure applies to all the picks, like the Tronpick, the BNBpick, the Litepick, the Maticpick. They all have their minimum withdrawal. And once you hit that threshold, you may want to try out your hands on how to withdraw. So basically, this is how to go about the withdrawal on your Hourly Faucet. And as you can see, this is real money that I've just spent my spare time to accumulate. And of course, if you follow my lead, I'll be able to show you how you can also accumulate all these funds and withdraw for free. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you.